These leaves were organic. This is the powder. Today I have come to teach you how to make flax smoothies. Flax smoothies, F-L-A-X, flax smoothies. Flax is very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Do you know why I always bring things I know that are very good in an antioxidant? Because I know it helps our system a lot, especially, it enhances metabolism and digestion. So when you are taking this thing, constipation will not know your address. You will not have constipation. So it helps also on the hair to grow. This flax you have seen, this is flax. Have you seen the way it looks glittering? This is what we call flax. F-L-A-X. F-L-A-X. This is flax. So how do we use flax? You can use flax for a lot of things. It can be also used for someone that is trying to control weight management, and it also can be used on anyone that is suffering from high blood pressure or even sugar. Yes, high blood pressure and diabetic patient, that's what I mean. Okay, so how do you eat flax? Add it to your food. You add to your food, like when cooking, when the food is almost done, you can take a spoon, you can take just a spoon like this, and you sprinkle on top of the food. Have you seen? Yes, you sprinkle it on top of the food. If you have seen that you love it, you can make smoothies out of it. This is the one we have washed. Have you seen it? So I will add in my smoothie making machine. I'm adding 2 spoons. Okay, then you add your milk. This is low fat milk. When you are using milk, use skimmed or low fat, except if you are making for children. And this is Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt a lot. I don't know why. I know it's rich in content also. So you add now your Greek yogurt. Yes. You add your Greek yogurt if you like. There is another great one that here called fenugreek. I love putting fenugreek whenever I'm using flax. Have you seen fenugreek? Fenugreek increases libido. Remember what I told you the other time? It enhances our system. It's very rich also in fiber, antibacterial, antimicrobial, and it does a lot. All these things are very medicinal. Okay, see the quantity I want to put in my flax smoothies. Okay, so I'm going to blend and I will show you how it turned out. Okay, so we are done with our flax smoothie. Now when I'm pouring this, I see some kind of blackish content there. That is the flax. Okay, and again, if you don't want to make smoothie out of it, you can sprinkle on the food. I've said it. Which other way can we make use of this flax? You can put on your food, sprinkle on any food. You can even put in your sauce. You can make hair shampoo out of it. You can also use it for skin, but that's a message for another day. Now, if you don't want to blend it into smoothie and you have an opportunity of getting a good yogurt, you can just pour inside your yogurt. Have you seen it? You just turn. Look at it here with the yogurt. Oh wow. Very, very nice. Okay, so that is it for flax. Try it, subscribe, raise thumb, connect people. Thank you so much for joining me today again.